Hey lawn care enthusiasts, I'm Sky. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we check out the coolest gadgets to make your life easier. Today, I'm pumped to dive into the eufy Robot Lawn Mower E18, a game changer for keeping your yard pristine without lifting a finger. Stick around to see if this robotic mower is your ticket to a perfect lawn. Let's start with the features that make the eufy E18 stand out. This bad boy covers up to 0.3 acres and handles slopes up to 18 degrees. It uses a pure vision system with high-precision cameras, so no messy perimeter wires or RTK stations are needed. Setup is a breeze. Just turn it on and it auto-maps your yard using the eufy app. You can set boundaries, adjust schedules, and check real-time mowing progress from your phone. The 3D perception system dodges obstacles like garden decor or toys, and it cuts in neat parallel lines for that pro-lawn look. Plus, it's got rain detection to head back to its dock when the weather turns and GPS tracking for theft protection. Now, the pros. The wire-free setup is a huge win. No digging or fiddling with boundary wires. It's super quiet, so you can run it early in the morning without waking the neighbors. The app is intuitive, letting you control everything remotely, and the obstacle avoidance is spot on, gliding around stuff like a champ. The cut is even, and it handles small to medium yards like a pro. Recent app updates also added better zone control, which is a nice touch for customizing your mow. But there are some cons. If your yard is super bumpy, fenced off, or larger than 0.3 acres, it might struggle. The app's zone control isn't perfect yet. Some users say it treats connected front and back yards as one zone, which can be annoying. Also, it mows the center before edges, so if it can't finish in one go, your edges might look uneven. Tech-averse folks might find the app a bit fiddly at first, so who's this mower for? If you've got a small to medium, relatively flat yard and love the idea of hands-free lawn care, the eufy E18 is a fantastic pick. It's perfect for busy folks who want a tidy lawn without the sweat. If your yard's super complex or you hate tech, you might want to look at traditional mowers instead. But for most, the convenience and smart features make this a solid investment. Ready to ditch the push mower? Check out the eufy Robot Lawn Mower E18 on Amazon using the link in the description below for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Drop a comment with your lawn care tips, and thanks for watching.